Nellie, and we will be asking questions about natural medicine. What is your experience in natural medicine?
With me, I experienced it when I was very young, growing up with my grandmother. She picked a lot of spruce gum juice, and over the years, my grandmother used that. She used it for anything, like for sores or anything that you could use. Tree gum was for everything that long, but that was our only source of medicine that we used back then.
Can you tell us about your experience in testing natural medicines?
Well, with me, I use a lot of that tree gum juice. Even today, I still make it today because it helps me a lot through the cold, the bad cold, even this flu that was going around, like COVID, whatever. That really helped a lot on through that one, because that heals you. Not only your inside, but when you're cold and everything.
If you boil it, you can't just put it in a plastic bowl, or you gotta have it in a glass all the time. You could drink it, you could use it for, it's good for your chest too.
It's also one of the things that our elders back then, we had no gum, no long, but they had no gum, no candy, so they would make their own. So they would pick certain part of that spruce gum, and
it's yellow.
You'll have good. It's also good for if you have ingrown toenails. I've experienced that too. In 3 days, my ingrown was pulled out.
What did they use for painkillers for women giving birth?
Long ago, there was no painkillers.
I don't think so. The main medicine they had was aspirin. My dad and them used to get it from RCMP.
Do you use natural medicine in religious ceremonies or drum dancing?
No, we're different compared to people. It's just something that we drum dance, we enjoy.
Do any of the natural medicine mean or symbolize anything?
Those, the one my mom used to use was those tall green plants. He used to pick them up around here. That's what my mom used to use. Either that or those willows. You could peel them, and you peel it the second one after you take the top off. You put it in the water and you boil it, and it gets red. If you have sores or anything like that, you could use that. You could use that one for your hands or anywhere. To this day, even if you want to dye something skin, you could use those. You could use those the kind your aga use. You don't want anything spoiled. Don't keep it in the sun.
Go to the address because you're gonna learn more.